Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the Audi A3 Saloon Edition 1, finished in a lovely glacier white metallic paint, featuring the 2.0 TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS with that brilliant S Tronic automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle with a full Audi service history alongside a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves as well. So for the front, you'll benefit from the digital matrix LED headlights, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And running down the side of the car, got his lovely 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid style alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, alongside power folding heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards as well. You also benefit from a generous amount of boot space, including split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple suitcases or any further luggage. Moving inside, gives lovely part leather Paral Alcantara seats with a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders. There's also Isofix points on the outer seats as well. And moving to the front, you'll benefit from a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. You've also got electric adjustment for the driver's seat, including memory setting as well for multiple drivers. Just behind the wheel, you've got Audi's Digital Cockpit Plus, showing all your vital driving information, including satellite navigation system as well. And alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. To help with parking, you've got rear parking sensors with audible warnings, and you've got multiple driver modes available as well, with a dynamic setting for a more sporty drive. Move a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust. You've also got heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.